We're thrilled to be here with ExxonMobil for their Silicon Valley 101 retreat. It's an honor to be presenting several of our startups to their senior leaders, and I think it's really interesting to see Saeed Amidi, our CEO's 30-year relationship, kind of cross over into the technology realm where it started in packaging and plastics. And recently they approached us to see if we could replicate what we've done in retail and fintech and bring that to the packaging and plastics industry.
We are here actually to mobilize the organization, make sure we prepare for the future. And in that context, we've organized an event that we call, Silicon Valley 101. We want to bring, and give our people the opportunity to experience, innovation in the Silicon Valley and understand how corporations, connect with startups, in this part of the world.
The whole concept behind this new materials and packaging innovation platform that we're launching with ExxonMobil is to bring value across the entire chain, from resin supplier to retailer, the CPGs, the equipment manufacturers, even the transformers. And we think that we can do this through our platform that we've actually, seen success across multiple verticals like health, IoT, retail, and fintech, and actually bring that model into an industry that really hasn't changed in a long time.
We are very well connected, with Saeed and Plug and Play Tech Center. I got the opportunity for the first time, I think 18 months ago, to come and understand, what's going on, at Plug and Play Tech Center. And the next day I was on a plane, back to Europe, and I had one idea on my mind, was to create and invent something that would be applicable to our own business. And over the last 18 months, I've been working with Saeed, to try to shape, crystallize some ideas and define an initiative that would be applicable to the plastic and packaging industry.
It's an amazing sight to see 75 global sales leaders from across the world gather in one place for a big company like ExxonMobil. And I think the purpose of today's retreat is to really expose these senior leaders to Silicon Valley and the types of technologies and startup companies that are coming out of it.
We realize that big corporations are good, at executing business strategies. We are not necessarily very good at identifying, breakthrough ideas, and we realize that startups are probably better equipped to do that. So we want to understand what's going on and figure out what it means, for our own business.
I hope that Exxon and Plug and Play's relationship will really set, the tone for this industry in terms of innovation, and then hopefully, open up the minds of the startups out there to actually start innovating in this space.